Episode for higher juicy news. We ma ubibia akwaba had the latest hot nkwa era me bremo. Enuti so nya subscribe to channel dia bomodi as obe subscribe. The way I say we click the subscribe button no. Na wabele notification no. We understand video fufuru bi be upload no. When the first person wonsa ebeka sa video afi we na like video no. Give us a thumbs up. Na fe shema wo fufuro na wenye bi hwe na wo hu ensem ekoso e wo Ghana memu ha no afe ye hwe ye ensem abeto ye no so yenti sa report ya ababeto dwa sansem mu yenti issues na aba from weekend ni nyina no edoso pa enti e wase ye yere ye ho so se ye bedi ni nyina ho enkomo na anopei campaign me was story ECG story meye but this is something ya de twetwemaso a me pese ye nyina ye se ye Ghana fo no ye di hu nkomo na ena ho ne di ka me pese me pa me boss Kennedy Agyapong se na me sere no baabi a asam no aduru no any the caliber of people bi omo do omo ho agi asam no mu a omo bi omo no ano no omo se di asam ye no ka asam ni bi no nti no there are certain things I'll go wrong me kind of raw. But Kennedy me di ka po ache wan so na asem we maka because me hu ni say enipa bi wo ho no wo di nsem hunu no wan kan chen say bra sister wo di nsem hunu a e look as sister your man joining nkasa nchro mo so mo di nsem hunu and mo di nkwa asem what you say this words we say it outside screen but I think said this time around no e was see a kind of kire nipa bi say mo di nkwa asem njai can the pen on my side because I never put a full power, me book full fiti and I know Saturday anopa. Me book for ya and I was asking myself, say, I'm doing that politics, I'm on coffee about joining your Jumasa. And then Yama won't cry my politics and tea and tea more to the stand and say, ye tina see your conscience, I fed your Jumabium. And then a politics, I'm on coffee, then cross it for Ghana Hasa. Over the weekend, I say, Her Excellency, the Vice President, and the whole fano, and see, you don't call UGMC. I don't could afford to for say your fan and come on near Kopayarsa. Cha, if you see a brabana, ye bono. So when you ya yen sirakwet you. So when you ya yen sirakwet ya, and no pewa who. And the Padu was a be bomb did direct, and I'm a catcher with someone Jimmy no. Mu Jimmy do munyai, mu penny toto. I'm to come her. Sorry, say now to master you on this note, but I have to because I too much. I bro so do politics. I'm more young class for Mama Junior Juma. Now, can you talk to me as a camera synonym? Now you call yourself a lawyer. Engine a TV so. I catch them we are singing now. And a central region for the NDC for when I do high level. No man can start cross out for coming to know my you are free home. And a central region for shine your eye. Lawyer Morris Ampaw. Please reason a bit. When you giant some huno. Well, these are the caliber of people. What your system no more. Can't pass your samsa. Or be man catch us or Jimmy to me. You call yourself a lawyer, you sit on that short TV and you are talking nonsense. Huh? Oh, any people can you quite see any time more, but and some fools who are more see a reply on. The late President Mills, the same thing na musa MPP forward. Mutu manusi papa isu bona wuto. Ebaya, you see the nonsense you people were saying. Talking all rubbish. Anno be na ku President Mills, Anno be na yes no be say, "Wa wo Ghana ha ya so some phone so ama na nya ba bia fifiri na asoma ba." Na ka bronya DC, akwatena ba bi de na no pose keka sa nkwasi asam na ke achi ni tu mu a, enko bi kasa obedwen. Ana President Mahama say, "Na no nkwasi asam akwa ya bia na for friend, okwae no, wa ka wa se den. Afenyo no be ma ya grammar kese. Sa asam no ka na ni nyina so bi o ka ne keke." So people talk nonsense in this country and go scot-free because obi anchiobia na kamore support na sa ni TV no so no aka sa nkwasi asem no na ka bia na fama frɛ no na kwa ba be kire baabi o wo evidence e kire say NDC for Central Region for na o makuo mo so Morris Ampaw person o kire Ghana for say MPP for the coup say John
based on their all canon, so we call the tribal tone, and you see a catch them will say, more Ella Morris Ampaw, we are MPP, and you're more MPP for someone who wants Santa for. Sasana Apostle, when they ever call the papa. What nonsense is this? And I'm Miss Atta 174 years of young Continental, and your position. I mean, when you are talking, listen to yourself. And you see, a one area. Nyanko power bought woman ni pe bia obi ankyere bo eti wo mare sampa na wani abre na wo ka ho asem no wo nkyere bo obawu eti se na wuwu a eye wo ntumi na aku ana pipi for na aku. Does it even make sense to you? Wuwu ne wo mare sampa no se wuwu a pipi for na aku ana chama wo ntumi na aku ah eti wo ba so aka kire me se ali ma ama so pipi for na aku no me bo a. Because some person who call the line now, Yabama list of MPP gurus, Jacobi Chabilam Temu, normal woo, MPP mu, bra, Jansan Funa, would you hano? We are building a country, we are serious. Some mess and now when you are good for the number of Grafan, you couldn't stop it, keep quiet, shut up. Would you be catch us when you need Jimia, make catch us when you penny toto? You call yourself a lawyer, you sit on that TV and talk nonsense. And who are you? Who do you think you are? We are wine. Who more is up? We are wine. Now also, me who video be out trendy. Now, as I'm job for me to do, I'm going to penny toto. Now, I'm TV sooner. And this is 4 person who could Professor Jenna no Pocajma. I'm going to boost of a woo. One of them. I'll boost you for. And I'm cannot catch a moya busia for MPP for moya busia for bidom. And then I'm waiting in your manokas and papada. And to time Dr. Bawumia Yari will chrome her. I dimly can fly no quiet Samara Bawumia Abra no dinner chino. But I know so MPP for an kunana. It's a muda momu yasinamoti no being Yaremeboa. John Kuma we about chrome her maka was marry. Jebby Danko would maka was marry. Hey, Munya Quasabum Yaquianim. Some food, I don't know. And this is for Central Region 4. Now, Marco Kuamo, and this is for the Central Region 4. Mushamu, some fool like Penny Toto to Saw, which TV so now can't pass them. My catcher was taken design of premise, run medical panacho. There are certain things I'll go wrong. When you pass your some no, and then some fool no. Now, Professor. Sajana no Pocajma, or your own mammy and campe. Or your pussy and you crown and a one from a creature man carpet. And you know. And so, we have some dictionary name Cramono, or being Aremeyaw. Bawumia Yana MPP for no penacuno. How many times ran another Akufo Addo? Young flying and few crom hanko payarasa. Can for the Atta and NAPO, Yanos who are making no one, our corruption is scandals are possible. So, no quarter brochure Jaya. Ah? Mokano for the Atta. So I brought to the honor or Yaren or any power. I mean, Ghana for please. There are certain things when we are mature the kaka. Politics are mancophobia and cross for Ghana. Politics are mancophobia in Yajuma. When you open your mouth, negativity. Just a BBC. Now you shall see your pulling videos. And now come Shebi by say, oh, Bibe, and now come Shebi. Kwasiake Kasa. Kwasiake Kasa, and you're the Ghana. One can't be see, journalism, Cecilia, my India, and I won't Jimmy Annamoday. Or this way, a journalist was so that you come and see the hustle. I can't pass your son. Tell this for Professor Jenna no Pocajma. What rubbish is this? Some form, I don't know. Now you see, come honey, so sad, you know. So now you see, Biana, what is wrong with you guys? I think that it's high time. Sandia, me come and this in Kwao. I was saying, go be so camera synonym. No, such as a walk and send me a young son anymore. I was here, Frano. Near Bisan Quasa. But here, Jaima signs some fool when you know the number from them, and in them social media, so down, or mamma, gullible, so no about time, no more said they call. Number is some TV, so your analysis. You call this analysis bullshit. And I'm Miss Atta, and I had a letterman, and I nonsense. What is wrong with your head? And who will feel being Yareba? 7 predia, will you free Muno Bina Casa without Kuno? Will you free Muno? Obina Casa without Kuno? I mean, what is wrong with you? Politics into Wagin Yagma. Politics into Wagin Yagma. These are the caliber of people of what society more or more cancer and 4 money to talk for 3. Today I will tell you wow. Who practice with TV no so that mama respond. Mess up mama respond. Panyu toto wuni mi answer make I say that Gyimifuo. I mean what is wrong with you? Any mo nyamfo ni akuku damfo mo nim dia kwa animu. Wama obia kasa you see say yes nyansa na kasa no. We mo nyina agugu so mo ye lawyers. Mama lawyer kura law school kura nyako no. Mo yama law school kura nyako no because it look as if say lawyers ni bebre wo hono mo kasa wi a chese aso mo kwa ma kwasua hwe. Enti wa kwa makola ni bi. Wei, okwa makola ni bi anasa ne dia no okwa ne wei. Na omanya mra ye adwuma wo mu a na ka we bia na ma frɛ no na ka mo de na hye ho. Na mo bisa no kosa wantimi anya no you know what to do. Baby a okwagina ayo ti se NDC foso wo mukoku opoku agyeman no na nkwa ba beka. Baby a mebra akatachi kwati se NDC foso wo muku eye opoku agyeman no na nkwa no so beka. You see ya soso nkrofo bi so ma mu gyimi dodo. Aditi na branya timi bia na no okro ba no waka nkwasi asem. Edru baby a dey na ye frɛ no no wa se waka no kwa. Ani agya no ne nam ho etu wane nam ho a wase nya from Kwasia some of us yaka. Because you sending it to wow, go to your level. What when you sending it to him? Politics into Obiaka phone. Politics into Obiaka Kwasia sem. Now with the one young for mammy baby, what pop bread drew. Let me tell you something. Campaign time, you know, I was part of the team, no. And when you see the energy that this woman have here, you'll be surprised. We really edge. I told her be cry to me call round sani abedru ahimache. Ahimache no ye cry ye maba agwa no cry na. E was a gia na ye ho denden no. Ye ba cry ye betimi akwa akwa ye baba na mommy no ate dining hall twen ye see ye medi breakfast. No ma sorry. Obi a wo follow Professor Opoku Agyarko campaign bia hu say maame no is having an extra energy. What to work account kwasa na wo abusu mo bi nyare. Ah? Wo fear ho no obi nyare wa ho. Now, MPP for paying for MPP for the Kumwamo. If you want to go to that level, we also go to that level and we'll give you list. Jabi dan kwa dia kra yan kan wasem wie yo. Eno kra me your information bia, maybe your professional, me ka wo ha. Minjimi. Se say dia mo adwene nya adwuma no. Me ka wo ha. Mabubobo badam na mo de to na nkwase akeka nkwa. I'll give it to you raw. Wo pa kwachina wo bogot wo nkukọ buo TV station so. Respond to me, I'll come back for you. Nonsense. Now give me Afenyo Markin. Smith yanyantem, give me Afenyo Markin. Yanyantem ne be phone lines no. Holiday ni to nkrofo wasem ko bia peso kire na adwen. What you say? You see, Mama ka be show. Sir, whoop obia or ye hypocrite politician. Ewa Ghana ha a Afenyo Markin, and I will tell you why. Smith, give me the video. There was Afenyo Markin submission in Parliament. Friday now no amoka ECG Containers na some. Give me the be volume ni become. Be amni anko.
ECG. I have the privilege of chairing the board in July. Because I'm a businessman, the first question I ask myself is that how can ECG award a contract? And when the contract is awarded, all the person does is deliver at the port, present bill of lading, and request for payment. I said, with the greatest respect, I don't want to use the word, this is Parliament. I was shattered. I said, how? And ECG would have to pay. So I realized that ECG was paying a lot of bills when they have not even had access to the books. And when you ask them, I asked the procurement manager, director of procurement, I said, why did this so? Chairman, this is the practice since. This is the practice. And they will bring you the document. I listened to Honorable honorable member for Secondary, lawyer for Secondary, president. And I am adopting his submissions as though they were mine. The time has come. This is politics. Somebody says the NPC. It's a system problem that I will any day support this minister to embark on reforms. How come containers at the ports? Containers that have arrived. The bureaucracy at our ports. They say the containers are missing. It is true that when these containers come, there is some connivance with some customs officials. And they sell these containers, these cables. That is released after the supplier has been paid. They sell the container and then people will sell back to the ECG. Are we pretending we don't know? Instead of us to pay attention and kill the rats, then we come here, then MPP, NDC, so now they say, oh, maybe it's happening at the MPP, it's happening at the NDC. No. And an honorable minister, I know what you can do. If we can give you support to do it, you must adopt a posture and a partisan posture and tackle the rats. But if you don't want to approach it, MPP and NDC, it will remain. NDC will spend 4 years, 16 years, 20 years. The same thing will be there. They will come into opposition, and the same thing will arise again. You see the hypocrisy side of Honorable Afenyo Markin. I had the privilege of chairing the board in July. Fa krono me corruption no me nyemo corruption ntumo obi aya corrupt bi aya kronfo as simple sa obrofo na mo de atoso da wa ya corrupt no aya corrupt no ada no obi da bia be ka che obi wi abode a ono e thief obi de pan aba ya krono ono e corrupt enti sa mo corrupt brofo corrupt no me nyentum wa would do on sabo man sika mu enu kwansa wo fa bia oya kronfo e simple be ma corruption bia fam bata wudi ho and this man is a corrupt man and this man is there be wo ya kronfo e simple. The most hypocrite politician ever ma wo no e honorable Afenyo Markin. You know why? Attorney General Abeka say and I say OSP Abeka say kind of for there are series of scandals. Ani wuwom se fota say obeyi ne hu ado ani OSP letter chese enwasem ba krom ha no Afenyo Markin was the first person to grant a press conference defending Kanoforiata ana chese o chabo OSP ekwanyo ade Kanoforiata efaso shabonesa ana no koda nchen Yatwana National Service in the Abaye and Omokoya press conference and then also Moka Wasemwa. Yatwa Anna Anderson, Bank of Ghana, and the Abaye, now Afenyo Markin in the Canada press conference. In fact, I don't quite a bit and I am for 10,000 cities and I done in Paso, and I'm no canning natural cano de Guho. Afenyo Markin has been the person at your press conference to defend corrupt people or more NPP more Yabu. Now this is where the hypocrisy comes in. ECG Containers na ayira na enwasema ba ye kanu. Obiatie submission na honorable Afenyo Markin ye wo parliament no. Ama waje atumi se ampa asam na ye kanu ye nokure asi no no oye board chairman kura no okoye no ohun saade no na obi sa ho questions. And they say Afenyo Markin say sa ECG ade na aba no Maya NPP NDC. We should tackle the rot. Hey! Afenyo! Hey! Afenyo! Afenyo! Ano Afenyo Markin who say, Bibi kwaso da ye krono na se wo man na Afenyo wasi ye jai NDC ni NPP. Ni anyina ye kabom. Ni atu ase. Wasi anya saa. 4 years bias baso ni anya hore ni aya na NDC NPP ni eja ho ne yeko. That is honorable Afenyo Markin.
Way and I'm in fitchery. In fact, way and I'm the veranda so. As I'm not yet can in fact and I'm the table so. It was Afenyo Markin Casa Sisa. I don't know Afenyo Markin and China can operata and running in Nasani Wustoma on Quada. I don't know Afenyo Markin and Jai, Nana shall service for modern summer for D, Ashisan Crata Muna at Yasa for comedy woman, now summer for Eddie de Meno, and then one Maquima Mranya Juma, not Omu Coffee Quada. I don't know Afenyo Markin, yes, Aya Anderson, Najuma Baya wa Bank of Ghana, ABC da, some Bank of Ghana, Timmy Boka, now one Boka, na enyama we edanya wo masiasi ho CCTV camera se wo man install wutie ne bua na otibom ada na no ba Afenyo Markin makwan e ma mra ne nya adwuma na yanya NDC ne MPP asem ada na ECG Containers ne de Afenyo Markin ni abrese e wo se ye gino NDC MPP we should tackle the rot Ghana fa fe de mahu me kanto asa Afenyo Markin ye hypocrite politician enu nie ne hypocrisy level e chen bibia na kaba now or maybe a serious ahu the board chairman should be arrested Dubik Mahama should be arrested he was armed our ECG NAPO munapo no majopoku prampe munapo no he should have been arrested by now because no energy minister he should come and explain under his watch how are you ECG Containers na enyema wo mu kra yesi abi kra ye be hia 10 years time enyema ye be hia 10 years ahead ni ya kra ba begu ho ni atimi asa afa kwan bi so ni ya year report ni asa year kwan bi so ni akoton under his watch o mai bia ye ni abrea ye attorney general ene mani abre rough hwa munya father Christmas ade na mo ye no ye ne beri abre no I was said by now, I can napo, Momo no, me or Yami Napo, maybe or Kwame Kroma. Momo no, I was said Kabana Yachino. I know Afenyo Markin, your Jina one and Yabla Fredie, was he in a young come woman and two rotten as and I was saying Yachino. You know why? Sky today now you need $2 million a quiet, you know. Attorney General, and all the BNI Wahamutia Cecilia. Someone arrested Professor Gunfiamiao. Someone arrested at Peter Amewu. Amani abra mo wiwe ya kana say see you awa kwacha Senegal was won dwane ye no beba you look for these 3 people these are 3 key people what's am hwehwe omo ECG Container ni mu don't wait ana Afenyo Markin wana afofo wo parliament nti no afede ye pampo no mebo ana abo Ato Forson uno tibi bo de ato we France bi animo Yane bedia no France bi anim family asem bi anim I was saying kabana ye bi sa Afenyo Markin and some bi anai anase ye dey gira court ne bi sa no kosa as the board chairman because sky train no ye won say some key people bi wo mu a e was ye chi wo mu a other what's the difference between this one say national service scandal no ye won mu krofo bi a ya chichi wo mu a difference be na we ewo. And you see, and you might be saying, "I'm not sure no. We are not here to pamper anybody. We are not here to pamper anybody. Now I don't know. Be catcher me say, yeah, I die na. I told the bia. Obi the story brother say NDC ni who womwa. Which me you who can den sana me see there be. My control every day say. Ghana first, NDC second. Even the President of the Republic of Ghana, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, he chose Ghana first, NDC second. And that's the reason why what's here papa na kasa bi ogina bedwam kasa or kasa se odwen Ghana ho enya political party. A woman say party no obedwen ho, but dwen Ghana ho kan because onim say Ghana nti ana Ghana for to abade ma no yanto aba ma ne say ye to aba ma NDC ni. The personality as John Dramani Mahama no ye pechen bibia. Ye feel chen bibia. And it come first. And some NDC at Waso. Eti na na me catch mo say. Regional Minister, Western Regional Minister. Honorable good morning, Anno Pemechiao. And you might be quite so on now and over the weekend. May say Western Regional Police Command, the former Kwachim Crawford. Please talk to your regional chairman. Western Regional Chairman, Western Regional Minister, talk to your chairman. The confirmation now, no. Talk to your chairman. Mona matia simuna mania brena ya pai na amapa wanti afede mumfuntu masase ani fretu galamse no butu no you we will mention your name and we will make sure that you be arrested because honorable amakofibu anani bria bre no enya agro no wodi o eji sa we party chairman bi se tokro mo ba bia ya yemfa ho mame kano kwancho yemfa ho honorable amakofibu ani abre bi kwa president Mahamadu Bawumia. So all stopping galamsey. It is a way NDC ni na sa wo so be ya galamsey a anya twen agesa meme ya titi manti wudi. Ya de wudi brame and the evidence ka ho a na mebodin. And I will make sure say honorable Amakofibu will hear of it. All the security agencies or matter women they will hear of it and you will be arrested. Regional chairman, NDC regional chairman, our Western region. Bra Pape, good morning. And then me bane boko. Me say too hofo. Me carry you. Me say too hofo. Western Regional Minister Assembly yesi wunim pa. Wonso to chairman. One would your bonsans you know. I have videos. Yet not say paper read with time. I will show it to you. Now read your bonsans you know pa watakwa. Wo rabe ho. E dia ne ye Danya ni yajie. Aya dia ya. We are maybe nya hypocrite o. I just say be asam na mante. Anasa men gada be fact right. Sama gada nko dia bra. Me fa no political color o. I will say it. So today Afenyo Markin enia bre. Ana ofre Ghana fo nyina say ECG asem na aba no. Afa de Ghana asem. Enti ye nyina ye nkambom so man. Near 200 among. Now, when the catcher will say, Afenyo Markin a hypocrite, Pacho me didn't run. Because the other see a chamuno, or portrait to say a witch hunting, or portrait to say politics in Tino be chase will be. That is how Afenyo Markin portray all the issues. I don't know, you see, any different. I fed in the near Bresse, Yenina Yankambomi and Yan NDC NPP. And you see, information I was containers in a hono. Utibia, what do Tibia but them no be sound say, eh? Nentin Crawford, ya do a very short month, fear what channel. Not all my nipa now said, now no more Jane Ghana one now saying, because me read it at the and I'm like, wow, because there's a particular document here. ECG and penny for more procurement to crack rock, cat, Ghana port and penny for say, one more anti. The more original containers, no, woman teso kakra no muntimin clear. Under the watch of NAPO, 1 year way, into NAPO person catch a young Ghana for say, no anya where say ECG aircraft container. Do big, no anya where say ECG aircraft container. Afenyo Markin so akoto so amakraba no no hwe nkra taamu no ore niema e wo sa deal ni mu na ono kra eye ne nwanwa. So you see, for the first time Afenyo Markin a confirm say corruption na ye ka ho asem no wo wetina CB. It is what wetina CB na oka as the board chairman ada ne ya chiro ne amisa no kwesa obi nka se afa no tuba wase ye che no ne abisa no kwesa de onim na wase oka. Now onya sa de no te parliament wo ye na ase o kwakwa de join ade no ye no mon kasancha attorney general na mo kacha national security mpanyimfo mon kasancha BNI this time around wa hu enya for the Christmas adwuma na ye be ye wo ha wo ye ni abre anybody who matter e wase ye che no en fire won so ye president adamfo en fire won so ye minister bi adamfo. And no any case, and no fire home. They are nameless a yard yara. We are suspect was here show. All right, and quick one answer I call our man of Solomon Fancha, Monchami Kituabi. Now, me corner lawyer Chumberry, my enquiry and como. Now, Quality Control Commission or no, and our year deputy CEO. Lawyer Chumberry, my good morning.
Morning, well.
Bacho bakwade. Ya da nyame ase anope me da ase nso se wanya me ho abotre na woni me bedi nkomo kakra nura ye nya ne ntia se cargo plane bi elande wo airport ema honorable intim fojo be ya allegation se ye cocaine any money laundering and be course so because plane lande ye no anche bia na sentu ye nya ne ntia se president Mahama attack se mo se monya investigation pacho betimi abrifi yen kakra.
I'm not responding to the intimate okay because I know there are no more speculations. So flight be baba and I say Ghana.
Yeah.
More control yeah civil aviation Ghana Airport Company.
Okay.
Into woman na ebema if we be the collaborative. Collaborative no national security NAPO BNI customs.
Okay.
To woman info civil aviation company inform more about an aircraft. So we do one suspect here about the aircraft and we go and then investigate it. And I think about 3 that me I think Friday. I did the question that's the airport was national airline be suspected but yakoye about say yako airport set tie the enkrama na ko search ya ko scanning the biara ya huke
okay
ana amida and the bibi say ba na ya ban information no we go on to do this checks if everything is clean and if you allow the aircraft to go to whatever it's going to but you are not for hurricane. For instance, the American wants to offer her just to, I think, to load fuel or something and then go back. But yeah, anything negative or another the money be hours or airline. So after saying, come on, of course, I'll check you. And I discharge you on now, for be okay.
Okay.
And this, on our your information, the first national security we need. I think that everything was just to finish us. But not to be doing speculations on social media or to the media. But I'm glad that the president has asked we should investigate. So we are going to investigate it. I know that my boss, the Director General, Brigadier General Mantin, and the team from the other sectors they are going to meet, I think, this morning. Okay. And necessary step we are taking alongside with civil aviation to confirm some class airline and that's how what was on board you know. Okay. And then if there's something negative was on nature, about the same media only informing the quality team the necessary checks I was here and okay. So we will take it from there. All right.
Okay. And lawyer mami minya ha baby awaka si I think it's enough. Enti ma yenya ha monkoye modwuma. Thank you very much. You. All right. Lawyer Chumbarema Deputy Director General Ghana Narcotics Control Commission and enti ho enchiremu kakra de amaye enonom.
ECG nsam ne de me Asamba ko America wo ho ne say Afenyo Markin oye criminal papa.
Oh what then?
Oye wi ankasa. Uni mewi. Your friend says, I boy you cry or we are chino coins. I want me cry Atta. Or Atta number 1 Afenyo Markin. We need free wa 2 Honorable Matthew Poku Prempre, the then Energy Minister. MPP. Omumi no omo ye akronfu ankasa. We are no so free the managing director for ECG the then Mahamadu Bawumia. Omo nipa miensa we say yanchi omo wo Ghana kromo ha pa to help in investigations. E was ECG containers ayira ekoso a enye na NDC for ya menye hwe. Ya menye hwe because obi oye board chairman Afenyo Markin to make say on records or kasa evidence on docket say onu onim sa time no na onu ana prince or board chairman for ECG and onim say container 1346 containers no na aba enti ye ne na ye kasa say ade na yira no onim say ade na yira wo motena no enti ye wahi
ono na ama wugina so say
why a criminal Afenyo Markin is a criminal. And see, baby, this is not the time I was saying, yes, oh, magic, and the energy minister, the way our energy now, no, the investigations in Yamanomi and Yamede. Because if the slow, mommy, because if the board chairman of ECG then na Prensuna Diana on one out boldly abe can say, na Prensuna Diana Wajiatumu, and to Wajiatumu, why don't you let the BNI for and Kochi Papa way to help in investigation? And then yet he kakrana lights and mia baby ne cut off.
Low current, maybe I'm well low current.
You understand? But and then nipa da senior ya MPP need to meet na baby can say NDC for no more doom light. Mahamadu Bawumia no oba or doom light. Sabi John Mahama no their light when if you on pay. Sabi John Mahama who assume near higher own cover a high. Onu there's only nyansa say high na bua nkrofo Ghana my way mo. And now mo bet na se di nkwase asem say me to sabi because I nkwase asem say ye di 1364 containers ayira wo Ghana kromu ha say na mo ma omo ye transition no mo say 3000 energy minister call port to call share ni am na 2500 hono na papa ne kan say dey bi figures ya nkrofo etwetwetwo won wuma mo present dey mame no en ye na bibi akọ wrong wo baby en okọ team ni committee omuko sa no mu hu say no figures no mo tro wo transition ni mu no na enye no. So you see the competent people NDC have. Wait, MPP for na musa to abamo mo anka ne baby ayeti enka mo dum so no be no times 10 of it. Ni ame mo
no ma ka say dum siesie.
You see, no ma be ka say dum siesie. Yenti kromu ha na sa Mahamadu Biko say wan Dubiko. E be ka say yen kopɛ dade e chenche as a managing director light e dum at that time no wo abetena TV so e catch Ghana for so mo kopɛ dade e chenche na ne omo ka no kra nye no na omo tie no is mo time no na mo de mo wi containers e ko ton ma China vo any India for omo nane let ni niama di yo omo niama na energy minister who wako hu sa de we ya who see I'll retrieve all. How do you retrieve it if you don't arrest or jail the people who were board chairmen, who were managing directors, who were one energy minister and then NAPO also shall be Ghana hana. We are all equal before the law. Nene party ni power we cancer only chief justice now no so ti odi nkwasa asem no kra kokasa. What you here? So they should find ways and means to arrest Afenyo Markin. Ni ona ono oti parliament ye dede nseme ehu hia no no is all your criminals ah. Oti parliament di nsemfu wo ho ye di amanfo oba say vet your own competence no you have your own way of vetting the people. Na ho asema ba o say yenfa NDC ni MPP tu nchen na yenka Ghana. And then the onimsa assembly wo ha ye kan ye Ghana. And then the onimsa your country be we need to protect. And as onimsa we have a country that needs accountability. And then no Afenyo Markin nimsa. No wonder. Say he's just saying that say no ne ho aba asem. And your baby dia akata ne ho kakra but we are telling him on authority say ne ho aba asem and then he is the one we have to arrest. No boa for investigation na baby a containers ni nyina wa na ye be hu containers no se ne ye be ye ma ye nyinam frama ho ode na agina amaya ye be che no ye beche na achi NAPO aka ho na ya sa achi Mahamadu Bawumia nso aka ho because they have shown clear incompetence. Oma show Ghana for say ejuma na ye de show mo nsa so mo nko na mo konye ejuma ne bua Ghana na sabi bibi to chima wo sa sector na mo be ye ne yi a omo anya ne yi. So it is clear incompetence of Afenyo Markin's honorable opoku wine prempe NAPO any dubik no ejuma no omo ensua. They didn't learn on the job. They don't know anything about it. They were just put there to steal money, to loot and share, to destroy the country for us, to put the country in a mess. And na mess no so no mo akreti na mama ba e ba ye ni ye ni amoja ye no so mo atwantro basa enti yeti hana ye ka de bia say MPP fo mo twantro o mo ye incompetent MPP fo ni hwi magana fo mo fi say ye boa ene ya ye ni gane na ye hui sabi obi a ono still oda so be ni school name Markins de what do you expect? Oda so be ni school nursery name Markins, what do you expect? Krono no ba bewia e de ahye Ghana fo ns container ye boni sika kire wa sister eno to me top bed edugu Ridge Hospital.
Yeah.
But adia e ba be bo man nyinam from ahoode na nwawia akoton na ye can na wote ho say let's put Ghana aside. Putting Ghana aside, let's put politics aside, sorry. Putting politics aside no means to say you are ready to help in investigations to retrieve all those 1,346 containers no. And see Afenyo wherever he is today, me and I'm gifting me catch and so you're criminal. He should come out boldly on that. So on your criminal baby a containers ni share and ye shisha ombra out ombeka say containers ni wa and I ton manipa say and I jisika say so they bring all those monies for accountability na Ghana fo nyina ho say okay ye kan ye no wakoyi containers and I send your moton no pakro moton ma no onu nie so that Ghanaians will know say nensa enye den enimu bi.
Okay, well yes I dey say we be criminal definitely so.
Yeah, you be here so but as at now when you ti here there Afenyo Markins, Honorable Matthew Poku Prempe, Mahamadu Bawumia, they are criminals and the state will have to hold them responsible for the 1,346 containers.
Haja.
Iniaba. Metia ya papa John Dramani Mahama. Na holiday ya odima no. Gyimifuo no de aman de na emu yem ma no no hu yem bopa.
Oh, okay.
Because Saturday bia na ye komuka se na ye brewie na ade chi na wo so sa.
Oh, okay.
Na ye ho kire ye pa.
Yo, it for winning and someone about beto yepono so mikao say so when subscribe to channel idea bomodi say obe subscribe now I like video to give us a thumbs up nafi share ma wo foforo so na we be here now and somewhere koso ewo Ghana memo also wait me atchere wadwen afa ye some we nyira ho ewo comment box ni mu mo beti menka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.